Resin Leveling Board includes 3 silicone cover mats. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or an experienced resin artist, it is essential to have a stable and level working surface to successfully create perfectly leveled handmade art. This professional, sturdy, durable, and easy-to-adjust leveling table comes with 3 reusable silicone cover mats that cover its surface entirely to protect it against spills and messes. This easy-to-level board enables you to create consistent, repeatable, perfect works of art. Built-in leveling bubble indicator. Use the wrench to adjust height. Easy to adjust at any desired angle. 4 adjustable height and angle feet. Allows you to make quick and easy foot adjustments to obtain a perfectly leveled surface on any flat or uneven surface. 3 reusable silicone cover mats. The mats make cleaning up easy, as resins, glues, and paints can easily be peeled off. Don't ruin your artwork. Versatile multi-application. Great to use with acrylic pouring paint, epoxy resin, clay, or any project that requires a level surface. Dimensions. Scan here to view additional pouring